Good evening, MW family. How is everyone doing? All set and excited for today's live? We are right on time as promised with each and every answer the questions you have lined up. You have already posted so many questions. So let me introduce today. We have Dr. Anita Chauhan, straight logging in
Hi.
from Delhi. She is a
Mhm.
cosmetic dermatologist. She is working at Ashlok Hospital, and she has her own brand, Clinic Elegance and Arisa Aesthetic Centers. Well, a warm welcome, Dr. Anita Chauhan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mommy's World for you and me look forward for this session because my community is really excited since we have already announced about this. And without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the topic, which is hair removal for the
Yeah.
intimate area. And now, the reason why we're choosing this because there are many moms are not aware that there are safest ways from where we can remove the hair. And they most of the moms जो पुराने टाइम से चल रहा है हाँ जी कभी छोड़ दिया शेव कर लिया and that leads to a consequences like infection हो गया बहुत सारी चीजें हो जाती हैं. सो अब आपसे हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कितना सेफ है वीट जो है हमारा हेयर रिमूवल कैंपेन हम लोग रन कर रहे हैं and to prevent common vaginal infections. How important is this to use? Is it clinically dermatologist सबने किया है टेस्टेड है ट्राइड है? Over to you.
Okay. Thank you, Shalu. Actually, देखो हमारे इंडिया में the lot of problems are there because private
Hmm.
parts hygiene is one of the most important concern. It leads to a lot of infections. We have heard about the sanitary napkins, so that is very important. And hair
Hmm.
removal is also very important in that area. To maintain the hygiene in
Hmm.
that area is very important because hair
Right.
causes sweating and sweating breeds infection. So it's very
Hmm.
good to keep that area dry and clean. And hair removal
Right.
is a difficult part in that.
Yeah.
Waxing must have people have tried. It's awful. I think it's so
Yeah.
painful. It takes your life. And other is shaving, and shaving is also very bad. It gives you itching. It gives rise to the coarse hair, and it's very
Yeah.
short lasting. So compared to
Yeah.
the cream, the wheat, whatever the hair removal cream we use, it is a very
Hmm.
quick, cost effective, and easy method for the removal of the hair. I think it is the one of
Okay.
the best options available these days. It just takes 5 to 6 minutes. We can get the
Hmm.
results because
But
infections are very
there
common in
are
this area.
right, but there are too many myths around which I guess people have self-created or probably have experienced. Now, when we say about the hair removal, it's not good for sensitive skin. It's not good because it darkening the areas. So, what do you have to say?
No, that's not a problem. Like wheat, the brand like wheat is dermatologically proven. So it is
Hmm.
quite safe. It is highly, no allergic reactions are there. Definitely, it's a chemical. So
Yeah.
allergic reactions are there, but they are
Hmm.
very less. And
Hmm.
moreover, the wheat comes in 5, 6 varieties. It comes for the
Hmm.
sensitive skin. It comes for
Right.
the people with normal skin, for the dry skin, and it
Hmm.
has essential oils with it. So it is very
Right.
effective. And what
Hmm.
can we do? We can do a patch test every time we do use the wheat. The small quantity of wheat can be applied on the inner side of the elbow and kept there
Right.
for few hours. And we can see if there is any redness or anything is there. Then
Huh.
we should not go for it. Otherwise, it's a hypoallergic product. So it's I
Okay.
definitely recommend a hair removal because see
But
waxing
don't
the
you
what
think, as a doctor, you must? Sorry. Yeah. Go on, please.
no, it's fine. I think let's see what are the options available for the hair removal for the intimate area. The first option
Hmm.
is shaving, and shaving is
Hmm.
not a good option. It carries
Right.
contact.
Agree.
We have to use the blade. Okay, and
Hmm.
it's not so easy also, and it can cause
Hmm.
rashes, itching,
Right.
redness, cuts can be there. Women are not so expert in raising the things, so
Hmm.
we can do trimming also, but that is also not
Hmm.
so very good option. And third
Hmm.
option that can give you good results is waxing. But waxing is a very costly affair. Every time getting a bikini wax is really costly, and plus it's very painful. I tried personally
Uh,
also,
I
so
I
I
I
definitely
agree.
never suggest to go for such a process. and
I know,
especially
I know.
kids like teenagers, they
Yeah.
can't even tolerate this food. So it's a very
Hmm.
difficult. And hair removal by the hair removing cream is very easy and very safe. What basically
Hmm.
hair removal cream does? What is this?
Hmm.
It's just a chemical, okay, and it is
Hmm.
very safe chemical. It's a hypoallergic chemical, and that
Right.
dissolves the protein in the hair. This hair, here are basically the proteins, and that melts the protein. And in 10 minutes, we can have good results, and the results are quite
Yeah, it's
lasting
quick.
as well. It,
Yeah,
that's it. That's fine. So I
it's
definitely
very quick
recommend
actually.
that cream.
Yeah. So let's welcome our another guest, Ishna Batra. A warm welcome. We
Hi.
were waiting for you.
Hi.
I'm sorry I couldn't connect. I don't know, there was some technical
Okay.
glitch and I couldn't connect through the
No problem
laptop.
at all. No
So I
problem.
connected through my phone only then.
Okay. Can you speak a
Yeah.
little louder, if you can put a headphone, that would be
Yeah,
great.
can you wait for a minute?
Yes, no problem. Please take your time. We are here only.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I can talk to Dr. Anita. No problem. So, Dr. Anita, tell me one thing. What about the things when we say dark हो जाता है जी area हमारे को हमने देखा है अंडर आर्म्स में लगा सकते हैं कि नहीं? What do you have to say about that?
देखो डार्क एक्चुअली इसलिए हो जाता है कि पहले दैट एरिया वाज हिडन बाय द हेयर एक्चुअली इट्स
हाँ.
ए मिथ कि डार्क हो जाता है और जब हेयर
Hmm.
रिमूव होता है तो वो डार्कनेस दिखती है डार्कनेस
Right.
होती है स्वेटिंग के कारण व्हेन यू कैप
Okay.
कीप दैट एरिया हेयरी maybe the
Hmm.
underarms or maybe the private part the sweating will
Hmm.
be there and the sweating cause the darkening of the skin and by removal of the hair we can
हाँ.
see that that area is exposed and especially the
Hmm.
wheat it
Hmm.
moisturizes the skin and moreover it removes the upper layer of the skin so it
Right.
exfoliates the skin. I was reading about the wheat only. I am also a user of a wheat, so I
अच्छा.
strongly recommend that product. For, so I was just reading.
Even I
So it
use
has
wheat
the five.
only.
Uh, so one of the product it is with the micro beads. It is
Hmm.
specially for the exfoliation of the skin, and that
Okay.
helps for the brightening of the skin. So wheat will not cause darkening, but it will cause
Right.
brightening. So the
हाँ.
next the hair removal cause brightening, not darkening.
Hmm. But what do you suggest? Like people use these things very often because people like Ishna Batra, she's into an industry like where they have to, go for, so many shoots and all these things. Is it okay to use it so often? What do you suggest?
See, hair growth takes around after using the weight. I think it takes at least 15 to 20 days minimum for the hair regrowth.
Okay.
You can use it
Hmm.
whenever it's there, and wheat has a good lasting effect.
Hmm.
It depends upon the hair growth cycle, and you
Right.
can use twice in a month. That's not a problem.
Okay.
And wheat comes with a
And
lot of essential oils.
right. One thing I want to ask, a very intimate question related to this hair removal. The cream has to be applied only on the bikini hair or the pubic hair. The removal can be done easily on both the parts.
See, it has to be not applied into the vaginal part. Okay, it has to be applied in the
Right.
skinny part. The skin is there. And
Yes.
that skin should be
Yeah.
there. There should not be any cuts. Should be there. So intimate
Yes.
parts should be avoided. The only the upper layer, upper part of the skin, the wheat can be applied. It should not
Anita ji, I also want to ask. There are people who yesterday were asking me since they have a heavyweight body जिनकी थोड़ा सा गर्माहट बहुत ज्यादा होती है बॉडी में अगर वो लोग यूज करते हैं काफी उन्होंने पहले ट्राई किया है शेव करके सब करने के बॉयल्स आ जाते हैं तो अगेन दिस विल बी अ केमिकल दे आर यूजिंग डू यू थिंक इट्स सेफ कैन यूज in
sorry, I
this
can't understand your question properly. Maybe the voice is
Okay,
not
I'll
clear.
tell. There are people. I repeat. There are people who are, their body weight is very, high. उनका बहुत वजन है और वो उस केस में उनकी बॉडी में बहुत ज्यादा गर्माहट रहती है जिस वजह से उनके प्राइवेट एरियाज में काफी बार बॉयल्स आ जाते हैं इन दैट केस अगर वो ये क्रीम लगाते हैं तो ये साइड इफेक्ट नहीं होगा
In
उनको
infected area में या boils यहाँ पे हो तो वहाँ पे we can't do hair removal ना. If the boils are already there, first they should be treated. One should take the treatments of boils and then apply any chemical. Basically, it's a
yes
chemical. We can't apply
yes
that skin is exposed, some cuts are there, rashes are there. It means the
yes
skin is already irritated. We can't apply the cream on the irritated area. The skin should be clean, dry, and then the cream should be applied.
Yeah, that's what I actually received this question yesterday, so I had to ask कि boys के ऊपर लगा सकते हैं कि नहीं लगा सकते हैं, इसलिए आपसे पूछा मैंने. Ishna, all sorted?
Yes, all sorted.
Okay, welcome back.
Hi.
All right.
Hi, doctor. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Ishna, this is Shalu from Mommy's World for you and me. A warm welcome at MW family.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
We would like to know first, how important is wheat in your life?
It is very important. I definitely use wheat. So obviously I haven't, being honest with you, I haven't done my laser in my bikini area or anything like that. So I feel shaving makes your hair growth little thick. So
of course hair growth is there.
So I feel wheat helps. We've been using it since many years.
So doctor, ये myth नहीं है, अभी किसी ने लिखा भी था comments में. I'll just go through the comments once the discussion is over. कि जो hair आते हैं shaving के बाद वो hard रहते हैं काफी.
होते हैं. You can see in the daily routine, males they do their shaving almost daily, and after that the coarse hair is there. That is the hair.
Yes.
Everybody's experience, no?
Exactly.
So, the same thing we are doing. The hair growth will be thicker, definitely thicker.
Right.
का अच्छा है कि it removes the hair from the roots.
Yes,
waxing आपका hair वो root से remove करती है, तो wheat भी root से remove करती है. That's a very good part of it.
Yeah.
Because इसलिए regrowth भी जल्दी होती नहीं, time लेता है. अगर हम shaving करते हैं, what we are doing, देखो hair के दो parts हैं. एक उसका root है, which we can't see actually, and one is the shaft. जो पार्ट हमें विजिबल होता है हेयर का उसको हम शाफ्ट कहते हैं. जब हम शेविंग करते हैं तो हम वो सुपरफिशियल पार्ट रिमूव करते हैं. रूट्स दे रिमेन इनसाइड एंड दे ग्रो इन जस्ट 4-5 days. Men do shaving almost every day, you know. Their roots come out very fast. So
right.
Hassle free. I think it's very easy.
I know. Yeah, it's hassle free.
I have to trust in the brand.
It's I think when we have to talk about the waxing strips or hair removal creams, we only talk about wheat. That's one thing we always say to anybody who we want to ask for. Wheat लेते आइएगा या medical shop पर भी wheat दे दीजिए. So that's I guess the brand speaks itself.
In the lockdown, obviously we couldn't go to the salons to do our waxing, and I got the wheat waxing strips for my hands and legs, and it worked really well.
Yeah.
So
okay,
so also. You can't be sure about the hygiene also where we are going.
Right.
Many people I've seen many patients after waxing they have developed boils, infection, and rashes are also there.
Right. डॉक्टर एक बात बताइए, ये जब मॉम्स प्रेग्नेंट हैं और उनको ये भी पता है कि हमें ये सब चीजें कलरिंग के लिए भी हम लोग मना करते हैं, कलर हेयर डाई के लिए, और ऐसा ही अब अगर हेयर रिमूवल क्रीम्स भी हैं, फैमिली में सब मना करते हैं, बट स्टिल दे वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज बेबी भी अभी आएगा, उसके बाद सब लोग देखने आएंगे, सो ऑल दैट स्टफ इज हैपनिंग अराउंड, सो दे वांट दिस क्लीनलीनेस इनसाइड, यू नो, कि हमें क्लीन करना है. सो हाउ सेफ इज दैट ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट डेज ऑफ दिस प्रेगनेंसी एंड ऑल?
Pregnancy में we can use the hair removal cream, ठीक है, because hair removal cream is a superficial thing. It has to be applied on the skin. But the problem is that in this pregnancy, the skin is already irritated, so it reacts very fast. So one can use a hypoallergic product. Wheat maybe their qualities are available. The hypoallergic products are just sensitive skin के लिए use होता है, वो use कर सकते हैं. For first 3 months of pregnancy, we can avoid, because first 3 months of pregnancy are very important for the fetus growth.
Yes.
Afterwards, we can use. That's not a problem. But people still want to avoid it, so they can do that. Because एक mind में एक रहता है कि यार ये नहीं करना चाहिए, chemicals नहीं use करने चाहिए. But medically, it's not wrong. After first 3 months, you can use the hair removal cream.
So we, you know, Indian women already have so many ifs and buts and already in the life before using anything. So this is one thing I wanted to clear. Also, there is any age recommendation you suggest कि किस age से बच्चे teenagers use कर सकते हैं?
After 14 years they can start. Like even we can do laser hair
After
removal also
14.
after 14.
Achha.
Yeah, so
Okay.
they can
All right.
use the hair removal creams.
Okay. All right. So somebody saying I have used razors, but then the hair that comes up pretty thick and feel that it pricks. Okay, we have already discussed that. Wax doesn't suit
Same.
me. I use razor. Can I use weeds? Yes, you can definitely. Our doctor is already telling this thing. And
Mhm.
can you please give any cure for darkened inner thigh?
Inner thigh. That must be the pigmentation, no? Pigmentation are very common in inner thighs because of the rubbing of thighs. So whenever there
Yeah.
is a rubbing, sweating is there, so that gives a pigmentation. उसके
Hmm.
लिए आप डॉक्टर के पास जाइए. They can do chemical peeling and all that. So that will be
Right.
helpful for you, and you can reduce your weight also. If you're fatty, then the inner thighs are
Right.
usually dark. And
Yes.
skin lightening treatments are also available. Some body bleach are available these days, which are specially used for the private parts.
Yes.
Like face bleach is
So
very commonly available. The doctors can do that. At the centers,
hmm.
they can go and they can come to our center if possible. So we can do
Yes, if
bleaching for.
you MW family, if you are in Delhi, please do visit Dr. Anita Chauhan and get yourself tested, and she will suggest you the best because we are discussing the important topic today. So yes, if you have any doubts, you can definitely contact to her. Dr. Anita Chauhan is the name. Dr. C, I have got the same comment what I was asking you. I have used, I'm sorry, I got rashes after using wheat. Why my skin is sensitive? This is what I was asking. Like, कुछ
Okay,
cases
see,
होंगे
you
जहां
have
पर
to. देखो, एलर्जिक हो सकता है, किसी से भी एलर्जी हो सकता है, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी रिकमेंड डूइंग ए पैच टेस्ट बिफोर वी यूज एनी केमिकल. इवन कोई भी मेडिसिन हम यूज करते हैं, उससे पहले एक टेस्टिंग होता है, टेस्टिंग डोज हो जाती है.
yes,
ठीक है, इवन वी
yes.
गो यूज एंटीबायोटिक्स इन आवर फील्ड और वी डू इवन केमिकल पीलिंग, तो एक हमें टेस्ट डोज होता है. टेस्ट डोज का
Hmm.
मतलब एक छोटा सा अमाउंट लेके यू कैन अप्लाई ऑन द इनर एल्बो and keep it there for
Hmm.
24 hours company recommends. But वैसे if you can see in 2-3 hours, if some redness is not
Correct.
there, nothing is there, then you can use the wheat, or you can use the wheat which is particularly for the sensitive skin.
Right.
Wheat is
There
already
was some.
dermatologically tested. Yeah, so chances of allergic reactions are very less, and it is supplemented with moisturizing is also there, and plus it has essential oils. So it's a good product, but
Hmm.
you should do the testing because allergy तो कहीं भी हो सकती है. Anybody can develop
I know.
allergy
Yeah.
with anything. एक flower से भी
Yes.
लोगों को allergy हो जाती है.
Hmm.
People are allergic to perfumes. People are
Hmm.
allergic to makeup. Anything can give you allergy.
Yes.
Hair dyes से तो बहुत
Agree.
common है allergy
Yeah.
होना. हेयर रिमूवल क्रीम
Agree.
से ज्यादा कॉमन नहीं है एलर्जी. हेयर डाइट
Hmm.
से बहुत ज्यादा एलर्जीज होती हैं. आई सीन मेनी
Hmm.
पीपल हु डेवलप एलर्जीज. तो उसमें भी रिकमेंड होता है कि पहले एक पैच टेस्ट करो. तो कोई भी आप
Hmm.
केमिकल कभी भी यूज करते हैं, इवन कॉस्मेटिक भी यूज करते हैं, तो यू हैव
Right.
टू डू ए पैच टेस्ट.
Agree. It's
वो पैच
important.
टेस्ट रिकमेंडेड है.
What do you suggest? Somebody's telling me some gynec suggested laser hair removal. So isn't this a very long-term side effect they will have?
Hair removal is also the one of the options. But it's very time consuming. The hair removal is very tedious work in the private part, especially, and it takes a lot of
Yes.
session, lot of maybe 10,
Right.
12 session will be there. After that, also they will not be completely gone. Still, you have to take a maintenance session. So,
Hmm.
hair removal also you can go for that. It's the second option these days.
But that is yeah.
Can I interrupt 1 second? So I have heard when people go for hair removal lasers, because of the
Hmm.
hormonal imbalance, sometimes if you're planning a baby or anything, did the hair come back? Because it's happened to friends of mine who've done laser before, and after having pregnancies because of the change in hormones, they've again got
Hmm.
the hair back.
Yeah, definitely. I said in the laser hair removal is a in process. It is effective, but it's a very time consuming. And when the hormonal imbalance is there, a lot of sessions are there. It takes years to give the results. Minimum 6 to 8
Hmm.
sessions are required. If there is a hormonal imbalance is there, then 10 to 12 sessions are required. And after that, also we have to take maintenance session. So
Hmm.
hair removal, people can plan for that also. It's also working. But then the machine should be good. The experts should be there, because all the lasers people are using in India, mostly they are Chinese type of laser. The results are not there. If the good branded lasers are used, then you can get the results.
Right.
And hair removal cream is a much economical and simple option.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ishna,
It's
thanks for
better
this
option.
question. This
It's
was an
cost
informative one.
it's a cost effective and easy method, I think. Once in a month you can use it,
Right.
or maximum twice in a month. It's just take 10 to 20 minutes, even only 10 minutes. We recommend
10
10
that
minutes.
minutes.
Right.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
6 minutes they recommend.
Experience.
We recommend for 6 minutes. So only the whole process just take 10-12 minutes. So it's very easy
Right.
and cheap also. Hair removal, laser hair removal will take a long time to give results in the bikini part,
Yes.
especially because hair are very thick and coarse in that area. And laser hair removal is also not pain free, quite painful. We are also doing laser hair removal in our clinic. Commonly, we are doing full body lasers. So I've
Hmm.
seen the result takes a lot, long time. Plus, it's not so easy process. Many female are
Right.
not able to tolerate the pain for laser.
Painful is it's so painful.
It's painful. They have to apply
Someone,
anesthetic. They have to apply anesthetic cream many times. For 40
Ishna,
wow.
minutes,
thanks for
they apply
asking
the
this.
cream. 40 minutes they apply the first we have the laser hair removal. First you have to do the shaving. Okay. First we have to do the raising of the hair. Then we have to apply the anesthetic cream, because 75% of the female will not be able to tolerate the pain. And then they do the laser. So total process will take around 1.5 hours. Then the result is also not very excellent. I will not
And I
recommend so
heard
much.
that the sessions also, you have to go through like a lot of sessions, right?
Sorry?
You have to go through some number of sessions, right, to do that?
I told you, yeah. Minimum 8 to 10 sessions are required. Minimum 8 sessions.
10 sessions?
Yeah.
Oh God.
So much time
And
consuming, right?
after
I
that also
for,
maintenance session. After three
forget
months, 4
time
months.
consuming, Ishna. I would say not even economical, not even,
Yeah,
painless.
I know. I've heard from my friends that they've spent lakhs of rupees
Yeah,
and still the hair is coming back.
yeah.
Yeah.
So when
People are
doctor
very
coming live
happy.
and MW family, she is telling you to go for wheat, please go for wheat and no laser doing.
So basically, see, it
Until
is not.
unless you really
It is
have to,
laser.
find out that there is no solution.
It is not laser hair removal. It is only laser hair reduction. It is
Okay.
not removal. The term is different. So hair will come back. In laser, you have to continue do like waxing. You have to do laser all the time, and it's really costly also. And most of the
Oh,
time, people are not
अच्छा.
having good lasers. People don't have so much of knowledge which lasers they are
Right,
using.
right. That's scary to even hear about this. So let's stick to wheat only. Dr. Anita, somebody is asking, people use soda bicarbonate in warm water. Is that a good practice? I've never heard this.
नहीं इसलिए किस लिए करते हैं वो ब्लीचिंग के लिए करते हैं बेसिकली टैनिंग कम करने के लिए करते हैं see
Okay.
all these treatments should be done in the supervision of doctors once some
Hmm.
reaction develop then who is going to help you ना
Hmm.
तो ये सब
Right, right,
केमिकल्स
right.
है दवाईकार वो ये डॉक्टर्स को करने दो अपना काम
Yeah. And somebody is also asking, what about trimmer? Why cannot we use trimmer?
you can use a trimmer but that will not give you the completely clean look ना the hair
True
would
that.
still would be there. They will remove. I told you now hair has two parts. One is
Hmm.
that it has a hair shaft, and other
Right,
part which is immersed in the skin is the root of the hair. पौधा होता है ना एक
right.
पौधा देखा है
Hmm.
आपने तो उसका क्या होता है एक रूट होता है
Hmm.
जो जमीन के अंदर होता है और एक उसका
Hmm.
तना होता है जो बाहर होता है तो बाल भी
Right.
ऐसा ही है एक छोटा सा प्लांट है ठीक है आपने ऊपर से उसका तना तो काट दिया रूट वहीं रह गया
Hmm.
वो थोड़े दिन
Hmm.
फिर वापस आ जाएगा तो हमें बाल
Hmm.
को रूट से निकालना है wheat does a wonder that it removes the
Yes,
hair
agree.
from the roots
Hmm.
so रूट से बाल निकल आता है even it's good कि छोटे छोटे बाल भी जो होते हैं
Hmm.
wheat can remove that also
Right.
तो हमें बाल if you really want to get rid of the hair any part of the body one has to
Hmm.
remove from the roots
Right. Doctor, there are plenty of questions. I guess the repetitive questions, they are saying that we discuss about the darkening areas. Underarms पे उनके dark हो रहा है skin, bikini areas को dark हो रहा है. So क्या वो पूछ रहे removal cream से ये light हो सकता है क्या?
हाँ
So
हेयर रिमूवल क्रीम से लाइट हो सकता है वीट का एक मैंने बताया टाइप आता है जिसमें माइक्रो वीड्स होते हैं. आई कैन शो यू. तो आप देखेंगे वीट का एक वो पैम्फलेट पढ़ा लेकर आना. एक पैम्फलेट है. आई कैन शो यू. जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute. आई जस्ट गेट दैट पैम्फलेट.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Ishna, how often you do this waxing, hair removal? Ishna?
Yeah.
Ishna, can you hear me?
Yes,
I can show you this. So, see,
Okay.
this is
Doctor,
available.
yeah.
वीट में थोड़ा अवेलेबल रहता है. ये लाइट थोड़ा ज्यादा आ रही है. वो लाइट चली.
Shalu, where are you at the moment?
Mumbai.
अभी शायद विजिबल नहीं हो पा रहा. आप इस पैम्फलेट के बीच में अवेलेबल होता है. यू कैन सी दैट लीफलेट. Okay.
Okay.
This leaflet, when you purchase any wheat, this leaflet is available. इसमें
Yes.
they can show the 5 varieties of wheat, and the
Yes.
last variety is wheat brightening, which has
Okay.
come with the micro beads, which can cause the brightening of the dark skin. So you can use
Okay.
this brightening skin.
What did you say, doctor? What is for the brightening of the dark skin?
ब्राइटनिंग ऑफ द डार्क स्किन वीट का ही एक हेयर रिमूवल क्रीम का टाइप है. 5 में they have mentioned here. I don't know how much is. Ma'am can tell me how much they are providing in the market, because 5 types of varieties of wheat are there. It's not just one wheat. हम जाते हैं मार्केट में wheat ले लो, है ना.
This is a good information for the people who are tired of this skin darkening thing.
हाँ, तो darkening skin.
Because I know a lot of people, like I'll just be on. I know a lot of people who have myths about hair removal creams that they darken the skin. But I think there are certain areas of your body which are already, they are not, they are already little darkened. So we have to consider that in the,
See, देखो डार्कनिंग मैंने पहले ही बताया. जो डार्कनिंग होती है वो स्किन में स्वेटिंग के कारण होती है. यहाँ पे थिक हेयर होते हैं. डार्कनिंग आप बताओ प्राइवेट पार्ट्स में होती है, अंडर आर्म्स में होती है. क्यों?
Right.
बिकॉज थिक कोर्स हेयर आर देयर इन दैट पार्ट. स्वेटिंग के कारण वो डैमेज होती है. और जब हम हेयर रिमूवल,
blame the hair removal cream for the darkening of
darkening is not there.
Because of using a hair removal cream, because I think those areas are only little like that, like
Yes.
Those areas were hidden by the hair. So they were not visible. So now you can see the darkening. So things come in front of you.
After removal of
right. डार्कनिंग वीट के कारण नहीं हो रहा. डार्कनिंग इसलिए दिख रहा है कि अब वो बाल नहीं है वहां पे, और वीट से ब्राइटनिंग होता है. बिकॉज इट एक्सफोलिएट्स द सुपरफिशियल स्किन लेयर. आपकी जो सुपरफिशियल स्किन लेयर होती है नॉर्मल वीट से निकल जाती है. और वीट में एक ब्रांड इन्होंने बताया हुआ है, वीट ब्राइटनिंग, which has micro beads. So we can use that. That will remove the skin layer. That will cause decrease the darkness. So variety है. So accordingly you can use कि dry skin के लिए कौन सी है, sensitive skin के लिए कौन सी है, और आपको dark skin है तो हमें ये वाला वीट यूज करना है.
But is it a new launch, doctor? I don't remember even looking for it, because 2-3 ही पता है. Is it a new launch?
नहीं, अभी इसमें I have seen this pamphlet only ना. I have to find this. How much they are.
I'm glad we've spoken about laser, because I can see in the comment section a lot of people have written about laser.
So we will promote the company has this thing, this product. कंपनी के पास प्रोडक्ट है, जब डिमांड आएगी तो कंपनी लॉन्च कर देगी ना.
Right. So that's what, because we are only aware about the dry skin, the sensitive skin, the oily skin. ये चीज या तो हमने मांगी ही नहीं है कभी उन लोग से.
मांगी नहीं है कभी इसमें शायद.
हाँ, that's the thing.
But they are showing in their pamphlet. It means this is available with them, and
exactly.
It will be very soon.
So I guess after this live, definitely demand बढ़ जाएगी इसकी. Yeah, I'm very sure. एक बात बताइए डॉक्टर, बहुत सारे लोग एक और सवाल कर रहे हैं जो रेपिटेटिव आ रहा है. आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस व्हीट क्रीम, वो जो स्मेल है वो 2 दिन तक जाती नहीं है. उसका क्या करे? क्या उसका सोल्यूशन है हटाने के लिए? बिकॉज इट्स
स्मेल इसलिए नहीं जाती कि कंपनी ने जो प्रोडक्ट ऐसे डिजाइन किया है, जो ऑर्डर होता है उसको मास्क करने के लिए. इट्स अ गुड स्मेल. इट्स गुड. That smell is a good smell. It's a jasmine kind of smell, or floral smell is there, because the pubic area has its odor. To hide that odor, the company has designed the product like that. The perfume should stay there for 24 hours. So you are lucky if you are finding it for 48 hours. So it's a good perfume.
So, I guess whoever is asking got the solution, because ये 4-5 लोग ने एक साथ लिख दिया था कि वो जो अलग से स्मेल है वो जा नहीं रही है.
तो वो
So
अच्छा
now,
smell है ना. देखो लाइट
so
बंद करिए.
But I
Sunny,
think I think हम लोग जब normal waxing कराते हैं, Shalu, I feel when we
Yes.
do normal waxing also in
Yeah.
a salon or anywhere,
नहीं,
there's
चला.
this peculiar, there's this smell
Yes.
which comes.
Yes.
So I feel
Yes.
it's like if it's anything, that little smell
This one is rather bearable, because हम लोग को ये खराब नहीं लग रही है, अच्छा लग रहा है. While we do this hair removal, और कुछ पाने के लिए थोड़ा सा तो खोना पड़ेगा, नहीं भी अच्छी लग रही है तो अगर आपको ये चीज करनी है तो गो विद इट. एंड ये सोल्यूशन बहुत अच्छा है, बिकॉज इकोनॉमिकल है, इजीली अवेलेबल है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा लंबा नहीं जाना पड़ रहा है, घर के घर में हो रहा है. Nowhere looking at, dermatologist सामने से आपको बोल रहे हैं, what else guys you want. So yes, that's one beautiful thing I guess सब women के पास में है, सब लोग बहुत खुश है ये चीज से. Let's move to comments. Yes. So there is no solution for reducing darkness, doctor?
For reducing
darkness again.
Darkness again. Darkness के लिए मैंने बताया ना wheat ही use कीजिए.
I had heard once, I don't know if it's true, my friend's mom had told me, जब हम कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे तो हम लोग wheat यूज करते थे, तो उसकी मॉम ने एक चीज बोली थी, I don't know what sense it made, but she said my daughter has been using wheat since a very young age, like since she was 15. But on your private parts, when you're using wheat, after that shower, don't take with very hot water. And she said don't put very hot water after you use wheat in your private areas. Don't use very hot water immediately. Use like normal water. Don't use very hot water. I don't know. She had this logic that then आपकी skin dark नहीं हुई. I don't know what logic.
Hot water नहीं use करना चाहिए. Before we apply wheat, the skin should be dry and clean. And after that, we should not use the soap also for maybe 2-3 hours in that area. And it should be washed with the cold water. The reason is being that कि वो हम chemical use कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा irritation होगा. तो अगर हम हॉट वाटर यूज करेंगे तो इरिटेशन बढ़ जाएगा. डार्कनेस से इसका कोई रिलेशन मुझे नहीं पता कुछ चलता. मे बी ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि डार्कनेस नहीं आएगी, हाँ रेडनेस नहीं आएगी, दैट आई कैन से. ओके, इफ यू यूज अ कूल वाटर, रेडनेस विल नॉट बी देयर. ओके, अदरवाइज क्योंकि वो स्किन में आपने केमिकल इमीडिएटली यूज किया, तो कुछ भी इरिटेटिंग सब्सटेंस नहीं यूज करना. आप कुछ सनस्क्रीन लगा सकते हो, एलोवेरा क्रीम लगा सकते हो वहाँ पे. वैसे ऑलरेडी हैज द एसेंशियल ऑयल्स and moisturizing effect. Wheat itself has a moisturizing effect plus essential oils, so nothing is required. Just you have to clean and dry the area. And don't use the soap for that.
Yes. So this is for sure that nobody gets any infection after using this, because it is tried, tested, and it has no such problem side effects when we say.
Okay.
I think it's a very tried and tested thing in using since years.
Yeah. Ishna, quickly, I want to ask you a few things. I guess you are a wonderful influencer, a blogger into fashion lifestyle industry.
Thank you.
And you definitely using these products a lot. So do you feel anytime that there is any kind of infection, or when you are, in hurry when you're doing it?
I have never got, I mean, I'm very honest about when I speak about my experience from products. I have never, I know everyone's skin is different, and I also have sensitive skin. Like I can show you, whenever I can't even wear anything which is artificial, because it gives me allergy. Like I've got an allergy here on my hand at the moment also. Can you see it? I don't know how to show it. Little bit. You see it? But मैंने जब भी wheat use किया है, whenever I have used wheat, I have never got any allergy, any rash, any irritation, nothing, absolutely. And I have, I can honestly say that I have used wheat in my private parts, and touch wood, I have never got any like vaginal area anywhere. I have not got any boils, any infection, or any allergy or any of that sort. And it's been a very simple and a very easy process for me.
That's a big statement you are giving, and this reassures our faith in the product. and makes us believe that yes,
I'm
it's
just telling you from my experience. I'm just speaking from my experience because I have been using it, and I really am just saying what I've experienced.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like, a person who is using it very frequently and a doctor, if talking on such things, and you are, giving this assurance to people that whatever, we are talking about, so it's really good. I really feel that people can safely use these things, and there is no looking back, I guess. This is something very nice we have in our hands.
Yeah.
Okay, so somebody saying wheat silk and hair removal supreme essence is also a very good product. I use this, the rose presence. So this is wheat lover. She's also using all the products of wheat. Wonderful session. I am loving it. There are the same queries which we already asked, and you have answered it brilliantly, Dr. Anita
And I'm
Chauhan.
glad people have written, yes, the assurance we have got today gives us confidence
Yes,
to do
yes.
also. Yeah.
Yes, because at MW, when we talk about something, we make it sure that things should be very transparent, so that what we use, they can use clearly. So
Yes.
yes, this is very nice to have you guys, and I loved every bit of it. Our half an hour just
Pass.
चला गया कहीं पर, हमें पता ही नहीं चला. डॉक्टर अनीता, सेशन रैप करने से पहले आप कुछ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स देना चाहेंगे हमारे मॉम्स को?
Yeah, it's a very nice cream. Anybody can use it. It's a hypoallergic product, dermatologically proven product is there. But just you have to do a patch test. Even your kids can use it. A girl which is more than 14 years, she can use it safely. Even it can be used in pregnancy as well. And it will prevent infections and it will not cause darkening of the skin. Darkening of the skin is not there because of the wheat.
Because
You should use it often. Okay.
Right.
perfect.
And thanks, Ishna, for joining. What are your 2 lines you would like to say to our community?
I would say that it doesn't cause darkening, so don't worry, because a lot of people are concerned about a hair removal cream on that, and I feel Wheat is a trusted brand when it comes to hair removal, so I think we can definitely use it.
Yeah. With this wonderful statements and the tips and tricks, guys, I think we have come to an end of the session. A wonderful session. Thank you, Dr. Anita Chauhan and Ishna Patra for joining in.
Thank you so much for having me.
We loved, and definitely, Dr. Anita, I see many people will be contacting you very soon for any problems, skin problems if they have. And all the best to both of you. Thanks for joining in.
Thank you, Shalu. This was lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.